All right, boys and girls, we are going to work on Math Message 4.7, and it is going to be on area perimeter. If you're doing the home links for this lesson, it is home links page 111, and math boxes are on page 118. Okay, let's get started with a warm-up. 4 plus 4 plus what equals 10. So we need our combination of 4 that would equal 10. Okay, so if we did 4 plus 6, that's going to equal 10, but we only need 10. So we want to make these numbers here so that they will equal 10. So if I add one more, that's 5, and one more, that's 5 more, or 5 more. So it would give me 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. All right, 7 plus what plus 7 plus what equals 20? Well, our combinations of 10, we know 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 7 plus 3 equals 10. So we add both of those together, and we come up with 10 plus 10 equals 20. 6 plus 6 plus what equals 18. Okay, so we need to know what numbers can we add together to equal the 18. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. We know 9 plus 9 equals 18. Okay. All right, let's get on with our math message, which is on area and perimeter. We talked about perimeter in the last lesson. So we're going to start off with a 1 square foot, and we want to find the perimeter. And remember, when we find perimeter, we're just going around the outside boundary. So if it's 1 square foot, we know it's a square. We have 12 foot here, 12 foot here, 12 foot here, and 12 foot here. So we know that 12 plus 12 equals 24, and then we have another 12 plus 12, and that equals 24, and if I add those both up, I come up with 28, because I'm adding up the perimeter, which is the outside boundary. Okay, just as a reminder, perimeter is the distance around the boundary of a shape, and boundary is the outside, and length is the distance between 2 points on a path. So if I look at this, the distance between this point and this point is its length. Okay, so today we're going to be adding area to our perimeter, and area is the amount of surface inside. This time we're going to inside instead of the outside boundary of, once again, just a two-dimensional shape. Okay, anytime we work with area, we use square units. Okay, and a square unit is just the unit used in measuring area. It can be feet, miles, centimeters, inches. All right, so I want you to turn to journal page 117, and we're going to work this together just to help you out and stuff. So we want to look here at the key. Each one of these centimeters here is going to be equal to 1 square foot. So if I'm finding the perimeter, I know that I have 1, 2 here, and since this is a rectangle, I have 2 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, and 7 here. We know they're feet, so I can go ahead and mark them with feet. And now all I have to do is add them up. So I can do 2 plus 7 equals 9, and 2 plus 7 equals 9. So my total would be 18 feet. Okay, so now if I'm looking at area, okay, area is adding up the inside. So I'm no longer looking at the outside, I'm looking at the inside. So to do that, what I'm going to do is just add up my square centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I would say that my area is 14 square feet. Remember area, we're going to square. Think of squarea, okay? So the inside, going inside, everything inside that square or that rectangle is the area. All right, on the perimeter, once again, for perimeter, we're just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this must be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. So when we're doing perimeter, once again, we're going to add them up. 4 plus 6, and 4 plus 6 equals 10, and then 4 plus 6 again equals 10, and add that up, and my perimeter is 20 meters. And go ahead and put the M on there to show that it's meters. Okay, now I want to figure out what my area is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 square meters would be my area. All right, on my next one, let's go again. We've got 1, 2, 3. So this is miles. So we got 3 miles over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 miles. And 8 miles up here. So 8 plus 3 equals 11, and 8 plus 3 equals 11, and 11 plus 11 would be my perimeter because it's all around the outside boundary, which would give me 22 miles. Now, my area, once again, is this middle here, so it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 what? 24 square miles. Remember, we square our area. All right, and the find or your extra practice here. If you want to try this, go ahead. Okay, when you're looking at your perimeter, okay, we're just counting around the outside edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So my perimeter would be 18 centimeters. And then my area, just count the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And my area would be 15 square centimeters. Square the area. Okay. And the last one, Nicholas says that he can measure both the perimeter and the area of a rectangle using a square. Do you agree or disagree? And explain your answer. So I would say I agree. Okay. And I would say that you can use the edge of the square to find perimeter. And you can tile the rectangle with the square to find the area. So what that means is if I have a 2 by 3. To tile it, I'm going to have 2 rows, and I'm going to have 3 in each row. So there, I tiled it. So I have 2 this way and 3 going across. So to find the area, I just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my area would be 6, and say this is centimeters. And remember, area we square. And the perimeter would be equal to 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 plus 3 is 5, so it would be 10 centimeters. All right, that completes our first lesson on area and perimeter.